Friends, today I'd like to talk to you about the second largest zinc producer in the world, which is an Indian company and a listed company, and why I thought this company is worth investing in, even though this stock failed to perform in the last couple of years. But in the last couple of months itself, this stock has at last grown 100%, that is, the price has doubled. What is the secret behind this rally? Let's try and understand it. Let's get started. The company that we're talking about is Hindustan Zinc Limited. So friends, we are going to look at Hindustan Zinc numbers and performance here. So if you see the price performance here, friends, you can see on 27th March 2024, the price was 293.70, right? Now, this price has shot up and gone to 772 on 22nd May. So within a span of a couple of months, it has multiplied many times. Now, why this has happened? So friends, here it is mentioned that Hindustan Zinc is the second largest zinc producer in the world and the third largest silver producer in the world, right? Now, we just have to look at the segment revenues and segment profits for zinc. So friends, you can see here, the revenues of Hindustan Zinc had hit a peak in FY 2023. It was 34,098 crores, right? They were not able to sustain the revenues. It went down. It went down to 28,934 crores. And if you see the profits here, they also came down. 10,522 crores to 7,787 crores. Then what caused the rally, friends? Let's have a look at that. We just need to see a few numbers of the segment bifurcation. So we are going to go to that. So this is a news article from Business Standard dated April 23rd, 2024, right? And we are going to go straight into the numbers which matter for us. See, HZL produced 746 tons of silver in the financial year 23-24, right? And in terms of profitability, what has happened? Silver contributed 45% of the profit, overall profits. This was not the same. You can see in 2023, it was only 27%. This you can see from another article. Let me show it to you. So this is another article about the same company by Business Standard. It is dated 22nd Jan 2024. Here they are mentioning that in the last year, that is 2023, FY 22-23, the percentage was 27%. So from 27% share of the profits, it has gone to 45%. Now let's have a look at the profitability numbers. So it is 7787, right? So if we go to the calculations, 45% of 7787 is 3,504 crores. So this has been the share of silver's profit. Now why that has happened? This will become clear when we look at the price charts of silver. So let's look at that. So friends, this is the price chart for 1 year for silver prices. You can see at the beginning of the year, the price was 22.257. This is in dollar per ounce. Okay. And it has hit a peak recently of almost $32 per ounce. So there has been a drastic rise, almost 50% rise in the price of silver. And if we are to speculate in terms of uncertainties in geopolitical segment or in geopolitical domain, then we can predict that at least for the next 1 to 1.5 years, the silver prices are set to increase further, which means there is a near-term rally ahead for the silver prices, and therefore Hindustan Zinc's profitability are going to be impacted positively by it. So even if the other demands face certain kind of volatility, the silver is going to hold the base for them. Based on this factor alone, we see that Hindustan Zinc has come into notice of investors and the prices have rallied. And if you ask me, the prices can rally further. We had recommended this stock when the prices were far lower, and it stayed low for quite long. 1.5 years it stayed low. The price were around 300 when we proposed the stock, and right now there has been a price shift from 300 to 742 peak price, which is a great news for investors, friends. So I will not go into other details of Hindustan Zinc, like the generic details of management and return on equity and margins. You can, for example, you can see the margins here. I can show you the margins easily. So the operating margins you can see here, it's around 50% all through. 51, 51, 50, 44, 56, 51, 48, 52, 55, 51, 47. So it's operationally a fantastically efficient company, right? And in terms of margins also, it is very efficient, because you can see a revenue of around 28,000, 29,000 crores. They are almost clocking 8,000 crore net profit, which comes to around 27% net margins. And that's an excellent number by any standards, and it makes us feel very confident about the stock. In fact, the rationale behind suggesting Hindustan Zinc was specifically this, that in case the markets peak, and in case certain uncertainties in different realms like geopolitical uncertainties crop up, then precious metals is something that may rise, and silver is part of the precious metal universe. So that was the rationale, and that is exactly what is playing out right now. And Hindustan Zinc is reaping the benefits of it as we speak. So that's about it, friends, from this stock related video. The articles and the silver price charts, the links for that will be mentioned in the description. You can go and have a look at it and confirm for yourself. You can do your own research and make your own conclusions and let me know what you think. Will Hindustan Zinc continue the rally? Will the prices of silver keep going up? So you can let me know on that. I'll wait for your opinion. So friends, this was our overview about Hindustan Zinc, the second largest zinc producer in the world and the third largest silver producer in the world now. Hope you liked the video, hope this added value to you. And if it did add value to you, please help me spread the word by subscribing to the channel and liking and commenting on the videos. And friends, if you want us to curate for you a 50+ stock portfolio consisting of a diversified range of stocks, which includes large caps, that is blue chips, value stocks, growth stocks, and even small caps and micro caps, please check out the link below. It is in the description mentioned. Till then, see you in the next video.